Coconut burfi is one sweet which is often made in Kerala household, especially in our family. Very quick to make and delicious in taste. There are several ways of making coconut burfi. Today, on my request, Geetaka's mother, Mrs. Rajeshwari, has shared her recipe. First, onto a saucepan, add the grated coconut and sugar and pour the milk. With a spatula, combine everything so that the grated coconut gets a coating of sugar nicely and keep it aside for a few minutes till the water oozes from the mixture. Now, once the mixture is ready, keep it on a low flame and stir continuously till the mixture starts boiling. Add little ghee and continuously stir till the mixture hardens and leaves the sides of the pan. Meanwhile, grease a plate and keep aside. Once the moisture is fully removed, switch off the flame and pour the mixture to the greased plate. Wait for some time before marking the pieces. In 10 minutes, cut the pieces and there your coconut burfi is ready. So as I said, this is a very quick recipe. Do try this recipe and subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also share with family and friends. Badusha is a traditional Indian sweet made especially during festivals. Down south, we refer this flaky sugar-coated sweet as Badusha and up north it is referred to as Balushahi. A very popular dish which is widely available in mithai shops during festivals. Today, Geetaka will show how quickly we can make a perfect Badusha at home. In a wide plate, add 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd, a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. To this, add 75 to 80 grams of butter. Mix everything by crumbling. Now, sprinkling some ice cold water, knead and crumble and make a soft dough. Just combining the ingredients like this. Now keep the dough aside to rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let us prepare the sugar syrup. Onto a pan, add 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Melt the sugar.
Get completely dissolved in water and we will see how we get 1 tar as a measurement, which I will be showing it to you shortly.
1 string consistency,
Yeah.
right? Okay. After 10 minutes of resting, the dough becomes flaky like this when you pull apart the dough. A bread dough consistency. Now make small roundels and flatten it to form a cookie shape and make an impression in the center. Do not use much pressure while making the badushas. If you put much pressure, then you will get a harder version of the badusha.
We should not use much pressure, right?
Absolutely. Very lightly just press it in the center, and the size, you can do it to the choice you want. Want to make it bigger? Yes.
Okay.
So this is the
Normal size.
normal size. If you want, you can have a slightly bigger size also. Like how you get badushas
In the shop.
in the shops here. Badusha has a local name called Satha.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So among Gujaratis and I don't know about Maharashtrians, but the local sweet here, Badusha is called as Satha.
Now the sugar syrup has reached the one string consistency, as you can see.
This is a string consistency. As you can see, one string is formed.
At this point, add cardamom powder and some saffron strands. Switch off the flame and keep the sugar syrup aside. Now keep a pan and add oil. Let the oil become hot. Check the oil by putting a pinch of the dough. The dough is popping out. Now it's time to add our badusha roundels which we have made. Keep the flame on medium or slow. Turn the badushas so that the down portion also gets fried. We have to fry the badushas till it becomes light golden brown in color. Our first batch of badushas are ready. Keep it aside and fry rest of the badushas like this.
So we are done with our preparation of our last set of badusha.
The frying is over.
Yeah. Now we soak it in sugar syrup and then see that the badusha gets completely soaked in sugar syrup, inside and out.
Okay.
Once the badushas are little cooler, add the badushas one by one to the sugar syrup. Coat all the sides and keep aside the coated ones. After some time you can see the snowy, flaky badushas coated with sugar. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. Also, share with family and friends. Happy Diwali! Thank you.